Hello there, my name is Alan. In 2019 I purchased a Railcraft cabin cruiser called the Swamp Duck, which is affectionately named after Vera Duckworth from the Coronation Street soap. The Swamp Duck is listed in the National Maritime Museum on the National Historic Small Boat Register, and she has been cruising the inland waterways for some 53 years. In 2019 I began my YouTube journey with my YouTube channel The Boating Adventure. I videoed all the things that I've had to do to bring the Swamp Duck up to scratch, and I've also videoed lots of the journeys that I've made. I currently have this caravan that I'm in today sited in the heart of the Staffordshire moorlands, and so I have been kayaking as many of the navigable waters within an hour of this caravan as I can in my little Itiwit kayak. I've made quite a few kayaking videos as well as my cabin cruiser videos. I also include boating related visits to museums and coastal waters and that kind of thing. These are all split into playlists, so you can see from the playlists that there's a huge variety of videos that I have made.